Hello and welcome to Victor Aniekan Sales Training Program. Well, I would like to start by thanking all my wonderful sales team for the opportunity to partner with the VA brand to spread more happiness and success to the rest of the world. God will bless you all richly, especially Martha. Well, to begin this program, I would like you to take a look at this photo displayed on your screen right now. I would like you to either write it down or memorize it. Well, why do I say you should do this? Well, because it is important you understand that money follows attention. But take a look at all the big brands you know of. They are able to sell their products easily because they have created enough attention around their niche and their brand. Well, if you would like to sell your products easily so you start making more money today, all you need to do is go to where you are already known. And one easy place you can go to where you know 70 to 90% of the people knows you, while 25 to 35% of them like you. It's your content right there in your phone. It's right there in your hand. Now today we have WhatsApp, which has made everything easier because you can now carry out the 4 simple steps I am about to share with you and easily close any deal you may have. But what are these 4 simple steps and how can you close this deal? Now the first step is survey your contacts. Survey your contacts. Now with WhatsApp, you can now get rid of guesswork as you can easily click on status and immediately know what a person may be interested in based on what they post. So if you would like to sell a fancy shoe, I wouldn't go to someone who always posts about church programs and retreats on their status. Come on, I want to sell a fancy shoe. I'd rather pitch it to those who go on dates, who love going to clubs and parties because they are already buyers. I don't need to convince them, that they need fancy shoes. I already know that they definitely need fancy shoes. So all I have to do is to tell them the reason why my fancy shoe is the best and why they should buy from me. Very, very much easier compared to me trying to reinvent the wheel. So now if you take a look at your product, VA capital or real estate, or if you were, put into VA competitions, or if you are shared into the group VA electrical services, take a look at your contents, that are searching for new home, or those that love competition, or those that are just looking for a new gadget. Now put more intensity on reaching out to these sets of people more. Now it is good to reach out to all your contacts, but it is much more effective if you focus your attention on those that are winning, that you know that definitely they love the products that you're about to sell. So all you need to do is to just tell them why your product is better. Now the second thing you need to do is ask reasonable questions. You do not know everything, but there's one powerful tool the universe gave each and every one of us to ensure we understand very well, and that is questions. Most people see asking questions as being weak, but that's a lie. After finding those who you think might be interested in your product or services you want to sell, ask them questions like, hello, do you like homes, or are you interested in having a new home? Asking this type of questions depending on how much rapport you have built with the person on your contacts. If you've never talked to me before and then you come to me saying, please vote me, on this platform, I'll be like, you've never talked to me before. So, in the next training, that's next month's training, I'm going to show you how to build rapport with each and every one of your on your contact list, so that when you send an offer to them, they'll want to okay, let me just give his product, let me listen to him and then give his product a try. Now, ask reasonable questions to be sure that your guesswork from status view was correct. And if your prospect says, yeah, I'm actually looking for a new home, or yeah, I'm actually in need of an engineer or an electrician who's going to help me fix my home or fix my generator, then you go and then tell the prospect or let the prospect know that, hey, I actually deal with this. That is what, tell him that, let him know that you actually deal with the product, the services that is in need of. But hey, don't just go and pour out all your products and services that you have to him. Or you need to be careful by doing what you need to ask question again by asking him, hey, what products or services are you looking for, so that this will give you the opportunity to know what offer you present to him. So you wouldn't say, oh, I'm into electrical services. You'll not be like, okay, all right, then you not start saying, oh, we do generator repair, do this one. No. You just ask him, okay, what kind of services are you looking? Electrical services. Do you want to fix your home? Do you need a new gen, or do you need to repair your gen? And that will help him to do it, help you to know where you're going to ship in your offer to him. So ask questions, share your offer, and if you do a good job, you'll be able to close that deal. Let your prospect know that you are available to give them the best services ever. And if they patronize you and your business, they will have a wonderful experience they will never forget. Now, but remember, there's no deal, or no deal is ever closed until a buy decision is made. So you need to make sure they buy, but hey, be careful, don't rush them. You want to lead them into buying. You don't want to rush them and say buy, buy, buy. When I began my sales, I tried the buy method, and well, it didn't work out very well. But when you lead them and you show them, hey, you actually are right there to help them and not to take their money. You want to give them the best services ever. Then you can be able to close that deal. So I would like to conclude with this. That we all love to build our financial fortress, but it is important the amount of sales you make plays a significant role in the level of financial fortress you are able to build. So have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to see you in the next sales training next month.
Hey guys, my name is Michelle, and I'm making this video to share my experience how working with Victor has been. Okay, my experience with this, all I've got to say is that it has been the best so far. Yeah, it has been totally amazing. Yeah. Okay. First of all, I'd like to thank Victor who helped me on the journey. Yeah, it has been a good thing, to have someone like Victor on your side. He was a good coach, he was a good mentor, he was also a good friend. Yeah, when I've been wanted to give up, when I wanted to run, yeah, that's just the best word to use for this. I wanted to run, but Victor was there to hold me back, encourage me, motivate me, and tell me that no, you've got this, I got your back. So that was what Victor has been there for. I really say thank you, Victor. I appreciate all you've done for me, and I keep on praying for you for the better.